So Max, the new dog walker, has taken Cleo on the paddleboard. All good, Max? There she is.
We re-anchored last night because it was so windy, we were getting dragged. So now we're right in front of this lovely hotel. The guy on the boat opposite us launched his dinghy this morning to come and check on us because he realised we weren't next to him anymore. So that was kind. So we're on the move again this morning because it was just too swelly and windy again. So we're going to go and get some provisions from this little town and then make our way to a fishing village, which should be really nice. So looking forward to that today. All right, Johnny?
Yeah, tired.
It's tired because it's been up all night because the anchor dragged.
Welcome to Old Town Budva, one of Montenegro's most historic and picturesque places. Sitting on a small peninsula along the Adriatic coast, Budva's Old Town is surrounded by medieval stone walls and dates back more than 2,500 years. Inside the walls you will find narrow cobblestone streets, historic churches, small squares and traditional stone buildings, all packed into a surprisingly compact area. Budva is also famous for its beaches, lively atmosphere and one of the oldest settlements on the Adriatic. It's a place where ancient history meets modern Montenegro and definitely worth exploring.
What's this business then?
Been in this bay all day, it's been really lovely. Max is fishing off the end of the boat. Yeah, it's nice and peaceful around here. Right, don't pull it back and I'll pull it back. Got some lovely things along this coast for the kids, a little aqua park, it's really nice. How's the fishing going?
Not ideal. Morning.
Caught me a tuna yet?
No. It's coming, Mama. Patience is a virtue.
Yeah. Well, you've been quite lucky so far, haven't you? Caught a couple of little mahi that we had to put back. But
Yeah, we gave squid fishing a go last night.
yeah.
To no luck. But one dot prevailed.
Yeah. Yeah, you did spend hours squid fishing last night. Shame we didn't catch anything. But
Yeah, we'll try again tonight though.
looks okay, don't it? Hopefully we're going to get a mooring ball.
So we're in Bigova Bay, and and we've managed now to get hold of a mooring ball. So the way this works is you get a mooring ball, they come and pick you up for your dinner and you eat in their restaurants, and the mooring ball's free. You could stay at anchor, but obviously it's seagrass and all the rest of it, so the holding might not be guaranteed. But the mooring ball's good enough, so we've now got that, and then we're going to go out for dinner at 7:30 in the morning, wake up, get rid of the rubbish, go to the shops, just do a little bit of provisioning, and then we're going to head off, and then we're going to move our way into the inland waterway of Montenegro. So looking forward to that. So this is where we wait for the restaurant to send out the young guy with the other tender to pick us up to take us off to the restaurant.
Every morning we set, we catch fish that they serve.
As the young man said on the dinghy, they catch all their own fresh seafood at this restaurant, so every morning they go out fishing and then they serve in the evening what they catch. So the menu's pretty varied, but you can only have what they've caught on the day.
Jealousy. Calorie deficit. Does it actually taste chocolatey though, or is it like one of those, you know, when it's like fake chocolate?
Cute little shop. John, can you get 6 of those ones? Because I want to replace the little bottles as well.
This is nice, isn't it, going out on the tender?
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it? It's really nice, isn't it?
It's a pleasure going shopping. Looks like we've just been beer shopping, but we did buy some water and milk.
So this morning we're at the Blue Cave in Montenegro, just before you go in the entrance to the Kotor Bay area. So I've dropped the family off, they've all gone in there on a paddleboard, but as you can see, loads and loads of day trip boats. So I'm just sat here, just drifting while they enjoy the Blue Cave and get some video footage. As you can see there, carnage ensuing with all the day trip boats at the Blue Cave. And as we pan out, you can see all the boats racing in with the day trippers. So you should get here early in the morning, probably about 8:30 is the best time to avoid this, because it is rammed.
Are you alright, Gaza? Do you want a needle?
I was getting my hair all blue.
Cool.
These two look like avatars.
The family land back on the paddleboard, dodging all the traffic. Hopefully they've had a good time in there. Look like they have. They've got some smiles on their face. Just hard work getting back, I should imagine.
have left the dog. Poor Cleo. Never mind though, you're here with me. Drop them off, okay? Where did you drop them off? In the marina?
Yeah, right at the end of it.
Were they okay about that?
Who?
Marina.
Tell them that.
Oh, that's good then. So they've been shopping across there today and it looks quite nice.
Here we have Montenegro's only box of unsmashed eggs. Took 4 tries.
Oh,
We
well
found some.
done. What's it like? Was it nice?
It was so nice. I've saved you loads of stuff to look at.
Really nice town apparently.
Oh,
It's
that's
stunning
good.
up there.
Oh, that's good
It's
then.
really, really nice.
We can go there to get the provisions.
Can you
Cleo's
one's
treats.
already like half?
Oh, that's sweet.
When you
Thank
stand up,
you.
grab that handle. There's a fucking big stainless steel handle there. Watch out, mate. Try not to put it in. Swell will just drip with it. Now step on.
You can actually smell the rain coming. Just stop the boat because we don't want to get caught in all that weather. Look at it.
Yeah, okay, from there.
Yeah, there's a hook just there on the end.
Muscle.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So that ends this week's episode, guys, from Sailing Clueless Crew. We're currently in Kotor Bay, at one end opposite Kotor itself, which we'll be going to tomorrow. But if you like the content, please give us a thumbs up and a like, give us a comment. I always like to read the comments, what people have got to say. Everybody's banging on about drones. Yes, I've got a drone. I will get round to getting it up soon, so please bear with me. Just not confident flying it from the boat, but obviously if we can get to land, I can fly it from there. But also give us a subscribe. Only about 28% of people who are subscribed to the channel that watch it. Please, if you like it and you do watch it, please just subscribe. It's free to you to do so, but it would mean the world to us. So until next week, from Kotor Bay, stay safe. See you later.